13 of chapter 3. Many of the chief disciples of Jalal have related that he himself explained to them as his reasons for instituting a musical service of his order with their dancing the following reflections. God has a great regard for the Roman people. In answer to a prayer of the first Caliph, Abu Bakr, God made the Romans a chief receptacle of his mercy, and the land of the Romans, Asia Minor, is the most beautiful on the face of the earth. Well, different opinions on that sort of stuff, but the people of the land were utterly void of all idea of the riches of a love towards God and of the remotest shade of a taste for the delights of the inner spiritual life. Well, the Quran in Surah 3 has more references to love by and for God than, the Bible, or equal, I guess you could say. But, the great causer of all causes, I don't remember, is it how many? Yeah, 12 verses 11, 4 in the old 7. The great causer of all causes caused a source of affection to arise, and out of the wilderness of causelessness raised a means by which I was attracted away from the land of Khorasan to the country of the Romans. That country he made a home for my children and posterity, in order that, with the elixir of his grace, the copper of their existences might be transmuted into gold and into philosopher's stone, they themselves being received into the communion of saints. When I perceived that they had no inclination for the practice of religious austerities and no knowledge of the divine mysteries, I imagined to arrange metrical exhortations and musical services as being captivating for men's minds, and more especially so for the Romans, who were naturally of a lively disposition and fond of incisive expositions, even as a sick child is coaxed into taking a salutary, though noxious, medicine. So, in like manner, were the Romans led by art to acquire a taste for spiritual truth. Art can imply things and all that, right? In a not direct way.